This is a platter of my Holy Grail products. These are products that I will repurchase if my makeup bag got stolen today. Okay, I love these products and let me tell you why. As you guys know, I'm a makeup girly and I want to put you guys onto some products that I would repurchase over and over again. These are products that are either new that I can't put down or products that I've been using for years and you guys will recognize it. What's popping, y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy and I'm back, baby. I said I'm back with another YouTube video, and if you are new to my channel, hello. But if you're a returning subscriber, what's up?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year only.
Let's start off strong with some skin prep. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Dewdrop, and this is their serum with niacinamide, and I really do like this product. One thing I like about this product is, one, it smells good. It's great skincare. I love how it like seeps into my skin because it's a nice thin texture, but not too watery. This also pairs well with my makeup, and that's what I like. It doesn't disturb my makeup. Next up, we have the Maybelline Poreless Jelly Matte Primer, and I really do like this. For a very long time, I was using her sister, which is the Grippy Primer. She's really good if you have dry skin, but if you're somebody with oily or someone that just likes a mattifying look, this is really good. It's affordable, high quality product. I really do like this. I love that it goes into the pores and it really just makes things look very blurred. I love the texture and the consistency of this product. She is really that girl and she's affordable. If we're talking about Holy Grail products and products that I'll repurchase, you know I gotta put Juvia's Place liquid blushes in that lineup. Juvia's Place is known for having high pigment, quality, and they have an array of colors. I love Juvia's Place, and Juvia's Place has a special place in my heart because Juvia's Place was probably one of the first, not probably, Juvia's Place was one of the first makeup brands that collaborated with me, and it was just like such a surreal moment because I used to save up to buy their products, but this is what I love. My favorite shade is actually Pink Lady. This is a hot pink shade. This is Blush Lily Bliss. This is their blush lighter collection. I like it, but it's very light. It just doesn't like pack on that pigment as like their other collection. This is really pretty, and what I like about these is you can, you know, play with the different shades that you want. They're affordable, but with just one shade you can use this to have that intense look, like that Painted by Esther technique, but then you can add a little concealer and get that lighter look. So Blush Lily is something that I'm probably going to end up purchasing because it's that lighter blush, that like that baby pink. But this is both of them are just really fire. I'm getting ahead of myself because I'm getting excited. Okay, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. This is their impeccable foundation in shade 4.5W. Now I just got this. This is a new addition to my makeup family, but for some reason I cannot put this foundation down. Every time I do my makeup, I go ahead and grab this foundation, so that should tell you everything. I love how it blends. I love that it's full coverage. I love that it's buildable. I love that it's breathable. I love the fact that it also lasts a long time. I wear my makeup for a long time. If I'm going out, I usually have to do my makeup hours ahead because I'm always running late, so whenever I use a foundation that can last and look really good throughout the whole entire night, I love that. I want you to try to guess that one product that I always use in all my videos. Did you guess that black Opal foundation stick? This is something that I use in literally every single video. You can go back and you'll probably find 100 makeup tutorials of me using this product. This is in shade Hazelnut and I love it. I love the lineup of their colors. I use it on my clients, so that tells you everything you need to know. This is just really good for that bronzing look. So freaking gorgeous, girls. So freaking gorgeous, and it's affordable. It's a drugstore product. If they ever discontinue this product, I don't know what I would do. I literally don't know what I would do. Like, I don't know what I would do. I have not tried another contour stick. Like, I love this that much. Next up, we have the One Size setting powders. The One Size setting powders are that girl. I'm not sure if they contain talc in it, but they are so blurring and I love that. A shade that actually has me in the chokehold right now would have to be their ultra pink shade. I just purchased this probably like a couple of months ago and I cannot put it down. I love that Painted by Esther technique, that pink under eye. I love it, and this helps me achieve that look. I thought it would be like a little too pink, but when I put it on, I absolutely fell in love, and pink is just my favorite color, so they just ate with this specific shade of pink. But this is a really good product. If you don't know, now you know, girl. I love One Size. It is so good. I use it for me, I use it for my clients, and like I said, if I use it for my clients, that lets you know everything you need to know about the product. For mascara, my favorite mascara would have to be the YSL mascara. They sent this to me in PR a very long time ago, and this is literally that girl. I wear individuals, I wear lashes, and I don't really have that much lashes, girl, but this really be making something out of nothing. I don't know what they do, what technology this is, but my lashes look thick and they look long and they hold a curl. I love this product. Like, it's so good. It's so jet black. I do have the other shades that they offer, but black is my favorite. I don't really wear blue mascara, maroon mascara. I'm not really into those type of things. Maybe I'll try to look that, you know, cost for it, but for the most part, this is literally that girl. This is my favorite mascara, and if I was ever saying, damn, I'm not gonna be wearing lashes anymore, but I want my lashes to pop, she's gonna be that girl. For setting spray, this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and this is their matte finish. I love this so freaking much. My favorite thing about this is when I usually set with two setting sprays. So if I'm setting with two setting sprays, I like something that's gonna go on very wet, a very wet like spray to it. So what happens is when I spray it on my face, it helps with like the powders just like kind of like drying down, and then it becomes like very skin like, very pretty. And then I love a matte finish. That's one thing about me. I don't really get too oily, but I like my makeup to be matte, because if it's matte, it's usually gonna last longer than if I'm going out dewy, right? So I love this. I love this. But let me show you my other favorite one. Another setting spray that I love is a L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray. This is a good dupe for the one size, but I feel like it really stands on its own, and it kind of doesn't need to be in the family of a dupe. This is really, really good. I love when it goes on my face. It dries down very fast. It does not choke me. It smells really, really good, and it really just works. It lasts really, really long. It makes my makeup stretch out, and I love that. All the products that I have are going to be listed down below in the description box to make your shopping experience a little bit easier. Some of them are going to be affiliate links, but nonetheless, I think these are products that you should add to your makeup kit if you don't have them in your kit. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I love you so much for that. Give this video a big thumbs up if you haven't already. Hype this video, and don't forget to comment down below the secret message. That is how I know you are gang and you watch my videos all the way through. Join the team and just do it like Nike by subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.